Targets for near protocol with my customer set. Let's take a look locally, guys. I wish to see the entry under this low. I'm not sure they will give us this good entry. Now it's $1.55. So it's so attractive to drop and grab this liquidity, stop at this order block and going higher. So keep the upcoming uptrend structure. Sometimes, guys, so here is the quick tip. If you long-term period, watch on this type of chart and you just frustrated, what's going on, where the good entry, or we going higher, lower, just refresh it. Just click the invert chart and you will see the chart in different perspective. And would you open the long here or the short? So this is a question. For me personally, would be good. This is a both breakout structure on a daily. So logically, see this bounce or this high or even this high, maybe test the order block. So this is the best option, form like double bottom, double top. And after that, drop it lower. So when we back, so this is the best entry for the summer, personally for me, guys. But I don't think so. They will drop to my entry. I got an alert to this order block, like $1.02, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure they will dump the price. So locally, if you would like to try open long, you can try it here at the full fill because technically we broke the structure up. That's why the structure is upside. But keep in mind, we already saw this break, right? So this was the breakout. We drop. So yes, we keep the uptrend structure. After that, we broke down and once again breaking up. That's why I maybe gonna try to open long at $1.33 with a stop loss under this low, like 8%. So 16% with the second leverage, and the target would be around here. So 16 against 122. So more than real and more than good to try. This is a breakout structure locally. I'll recommend you use this indicator, smart money concept zones, to determine the local and the global zones. Let's turn on the order blocks and the liquidity under this order block and this one. So once again, I wish to see something like this one and go higher. So it's like for the try, right? And now it's Thursday, so Tuesday, sorry. Tomorrow the Friday. So before the weekend, I guess we can go even higher. And on the next week after that Donald Trump go back to the United States, we can see something like this. So this is it. And kept the uptrend structure. But I don't like, when we move like this one, because usually what happened, we broke like this one. That's why it's kind of scary for now. If we zoom out and double check on the weekly time frame, here's the two order blocks. This one and this one. This is a huge one. That's why two order blocks is like a magnet. So about we got more liquidations. A lot of people add stop losses here because of the last extremum around the order block. So they wish to open the short and short position. That's why for me, I'm looking only at the long position now. It's more than logical. I hope in February we're ready toward the final bottom. We're ready hit the last bottom. Take a look now with daily time frame, direction, market's mood, and the money power, guys. No signal to sell on direction. Good moment. Market's mood in a free year. That's why I wish to see the correction. So here it was a capitulation. Last one, hopium, rebound, and now it's a totally free on a daily. So the correction from now to 20%, it's more than okay. It's not immediately, like in one click tomorrow or today. No, but it's more than okay to see because it's a totally free. No money outflow, so it's good. But soon, I guess, we will see the money outflow. So let's add alerts and track it, that outflow. And a free on market mood on the 12 time frame. It was not bullish. Take a look. Not extra bullish, of course. And the last indicator straight on. Daily. Yes, let's check the daily. Buy. Take profit, sell. I think we will see really soon once again the sell signal. This one. And I think, yes, we can see the continuation in the next upcoming days while the Donald Trump's still in China. And after that, going like this. It's going to be the pretty hard drop this summer, but we build a liquidity here. So the break of structure will be like confirmation of the uptrend to keep the uptrend structure higher high and higher lows. All right. If we not break this break of structure, yes, we can drop like this one, consolidate long-term period in this summer. It's going to be the boring one. And the last indicator is take profit here also. Why we can go higher? Because we're not so far from the take profit line $1.72, exit line $1.94. So these lines will be tested really, really soon. Buy line now on the daily, it's 86 cents. I don't think so. We will drop to the buy line. Once again, this scenario and the line will be, I don't know, here, for example, by middle of the June, for example, or the beginning of the June. It's hard to say by timing. It's logical one. This is a potential scenario. All my zones, I mark it, and I'm waiting my entry. Wrap us in the comment what you think about a local zone for near. If you like to trade with my customer said what I showed you in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.